Ladies and gentlemen, today we will be having the kayak race of the century, the 2020 college-bound kayak race. This first heat, alrighty, this first heat is between Jerry Said, and Daniel Ford, Alrighty, Jerry has a handicap, you see. He has to use a kayak paddle in a canoe. It'll be pretty tricky. And Daniel Ford has to use a canoe paddle in a kayak, which he is struggling with greatly right now. Alrighty, racers, are you lined up?
Well, howdy campers, we out here on Schoolhouse Pond today. Uncle Jerry and I are gonna have a little race. He's over there in the canoe. What's gonna happen is I'm in a kayak with the canoe paddle and he's in a canoe with a kayak paddle. It's gonna be odd. Anyway, I think I might pull an old switcheroo on Uncle Jerry and switch to my hands. I think it'll be a lot faster. So we'll see how this turns out.
On your mark, get set, go!
Oh boy, taking on water.
Daniel Ford is taking on water already, it sounds like, and Jerry is having a hard time even getting pointed towards the finish line. What a mess. Oh, Daniel has completely given up on his paddle, and he's just using his hands. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, the speed, the agility these two have. How are they still doing it? Now it comes down to the finish line. Jerry is catching up. He might be able to use his sides of his boat to knock Daniel out of the way, and it is not able to do that. Daniel Ford won this race, ladies and gentlemen. What a nail biter. Alrighty, up next is Rehoboth and Emily versus Daniel and Maisie. It'll be a relay of the century. Stay tuned. Alrighty, our next race is a relay. Red team versus blue team. What could be more epic than that? In the red kayak, we have Emily DeHetri starting out. And in the blue kayak, we have Maisie O'Brien. Alrighty, so how this relay is going to work is the girls will paddle to where the guys are treading water, in the water over there. And then the girls will hop out of their kayaks and the guys will jump in and keep on going until they get to this point right over here. And the loser will be a loser and the winner will get eternal glory.
Daniel and Maisie are going down.
On your marks, get set, go! Emily seems to be zigzagging. Oh, the kayaks are clashing. Will they flip? I don't know. Oh, Emily seems to be in front. She has pulled ahead. The boys, Daniel and Rehoboth, are cheering on their teammates. Daniel's already getting ready. Emily is out of the kayak. Rehoboth's climbing in. Oh, he falls out. Daniel is going up the back, the preferred way. Oh, Daniel is almost in the kayak. Rehoboth is still struggling. And Daniel's in. He is almost off. That was a very fast change for Daniel and Maisie. Rehoboth is still struggling. Will Rehoboth be able to get back in the kayak? Oh my goodness, what is going to happen?
Uncle Ro just fell out of his kayak. I think he's having some real struggle back there. I think I can take it nice and easy now. Then again,
We don't want a tortoise and hare situation. Y'all don't know that story. Oh no! Hobart is still not in the kayak. It looks like he should have spent a little more time in practice. Hoist yourself, Hobart! Hoist yourself! Oh no! He slipped and fell. This looks like an easy victory for Daniel. Race is over. Daniel is the clear winner. Rehoboth is getting help from assistant Jerry to get his kayak flipped back over. We aren't sure how long it could take him. Maybe years. It took him quite a while. He was riding that struggle bus awful hard. Now that is the end of this segment. Next up it will be Jeremy and Uncle Roger, so stick around. Alrighty, Uncle Roger, what do you think the outcome of this race will be?
Somebody's going to win.
Very good assumption. What do you think the outcome
It's not going to be him.
Alrighty, this is some very fierce competition. Alrighty, let's get started. This is a second race for Uncle Roger and Jeremy, and as you can see, things did not go very well for Uncle Jeremy. Alrighty, now on to the second race of the century. On your marks, get set, go! Being a little more careful than last time. Uncle Roger has almost lost control. Jeremy is trying to stay clear. Oh no! He fell in again! Ladies and gentlemen, this race isn't going the way he planned either! You cannot make this stuff up! This is insane! Looks like Uncle Roger will take this race too. I don't know if it was race jitters or the fierce competitiveness between the two people, but Jeremy flipped it again.
Oh, Jeremy! I'm coming! You want some help? Maybe! Find somebody who cares! There's Uncle Jerry!
Alrighty, Uncle Roger. How did you think today's race went?
The race went pretty good. As you can see, when we started off, Uncle Jeremy had a little boasting in his pride, and he said he is not going to win, pointing to me. But as you can tell, pride cometh before a flip.
Well said, well said. What did you think could have been changed about today's race?
I think that big gust of wind that came in threw my sway bar all out.
Oh, the sway bar.
I needed an adjustment before we got.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen, the 2020 college-bound kayak races. You have the winners, the losers, and the flippers. Have a great night and stay safe out there.